Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this tutorial I will show you how to reset the security pin on your Samsung TV. So in order to do so, we first of all need to turn off our TV so that it is on standby. And if you have an older TV just like me with such a remote, then you just need to press mute 8 2 4 power on. However, on the smart remote we need to press mute, volume up, return, volume down, return, volume up, return, and power on. And by the way, we need to press these buttons very quickly so that this actually works. So let me just show you. Mute 8 2 4 power on, and then I have already reset my security pin to 0 0 0 0 4 times 0. That's the standard security pin. If this doesn't work for you right away, then just try it a few more times and try to be as fast as possible. So if this video could help you, please leave a like and subscribe. By the way, my goal is to reach 1000 subscribers on this channel, so if you want to support me, I would really appreciate if you were to subscribe to me. Thanks for watching and bye.